Now see, in the graph we have to show certain vehicles and their number. Which are numbers we know which are the numbers we got: 5, 15, 30, 25, 30, like this way. Okay. So let us now, before start to draw the graph, first you have to decide the scale. Now how to decide the scale? Scale should be for y axis. It will come only on for the y axis. Now here for y axis, now see, from here to here 1 unit, then from here to here second unit, means 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like this way, or we say simply units. Okay. So now I have chosen the scale here, that now you observe the numbers, page number 35, that types of vehicle and number. Now that pictures we don't want. Which two columns we want? Types of vehicle and number. These two columns only are enough for to draw the graph. Now numbers are there which we have to take on the y axis. So how to decide the scale? So you have to observe first, all the numbers should be multiple of one number. Now here 30, 25, 5, 15, these all are numbers are divisible by 5, or they are multiple of 5. Means in the table of 5, 30, 25, 5 and 15 are there. So now we choose the scale. Now here you can take from here to here 1 unit. So for 1 unit is equal to 5, 10, 15, then you have to start the table of 5. See students, which numbers are there, that particular numbers will not come on this y axis. So once you choose the scale, for example here I have chosen the 2 unit is equal to 5 acres. Means what? After this x axis line, vertical line, this horizontal line, first unit, second unit, here I have written 5. Then again I leave 1 unit, on second unit 10, again 1 unit I leave that, and then third unit 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. And you will not write just 5, 15, 25, means if 10 is not there, just you have to leave the 10. It's not like that. You have to continue the the scale continuously. Means if I chosen the 2 units is equal to 5, so you have to continue with the 5 only, means table of 5 only. So 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now here one more thing you have to remember, for the number you have to observe which is the minimum number. So here which is the minimum, means less number is 5, and which is the maximum number is 30. Maximum number is 30. See, maximum number is 30. So you have to choose the scale by that way. Means 5 also should come and 30 also should come on the graph. Means if you choose that suppose 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this 1 unit, then 30 will not come on this graph paper. So you cannot show 30 number on the graph paper. So that's why we cannot take 1, 2 units like in serial wise. So you have to choose such a one table or one multiple. Okay, such a scale you have to choose. So here most of the times in question only scale will be given to you, but if it is not there, you have to decide how to take the scale. Now here see, types of vehicle. First is, now on the x axis what you will write? Types of vehicle. See here you have to show that what you are showing is on the x axis is the names of vehicles. So that also you have to mention here, names of the vehicles. Okay, here, and on the y axis what I have taken? Number of vehicles. Number of vehicles. Okay, so you have to mention that on the x axis what is there? Names of the vehicle. On the y axis what is there? Number of vehicles. Then scale. And one more thing you have to remember, don't use pen on the graph paper. Whatever you want to draw or write, you have to use the pencil only, which will be the sharp pencil only. And then now see, number of type of vehicle is first bicycle. So what I have done here also, on the x-axis you have to write the all types of vehicle. Now here what I have done, here also same way, same distance you should keep in between the two names. Now here I leave the one column, one unit, and then this one full unit I have taken for bicycle, because columns we are going to draw, students. What we are going to draw? Columns or bar graph. This is all about the bar graph. Okay, so this is called bar graph. So here I have taken first unit I leave, then from here to here bicycle. Again I leave the one unit here, then next unit, next one unit motorcycle, then again leave the one unit, again rickshaw, and then again leave one unit, then next unit is the bullock cart. Okay, so here also whatever gap you will decide, suppose from here actually always from here to here this place will be, you have to leave that, from here you have to start, here to here you can take this 1.5 also. This is, see, in between these two dark lines there is one little faint line, but little again dark, so that is the half of that, means fifth line it is. Okay, now most of the time you should take the one unit only, this full unit you take. Okay, now bicycle, how many numbers are there, how many bicycles are there? 30. So first bicycle, how many? 30. So on 30 where it is? On y-axis. So here you can mark it like this till 30, and then for bicycle you have to draw the one column for bicycle here, and then this here, from here to here. So here this is the this one bar it came for bicycle. Second is for motorcycle. How many numbers are there for motorcycle? 25, means 25 motorcycles are there. Is there 25 on the y-axis? Yes. So 25 is there. So for motorcycle this line will be there, no? So here you can mark it up to 25 only, you have to draw the bar. So here I will draw this bar graph, bar for the motorcycle, here to here 1 unit. Okay, where is 25? Here it is. Okay, then motorcycle over. Third is the auto rickshaw. So this auto rickshaw, how many are there? Only 5 are there. So where is the 5? Here on the y-axis 5, and you have to come till the auto rickshaw. So you have to mark here up to 5 only. Okay, mark it first, then you will understand it. Where is the, from where to where? Here and then here. Okay, 5. And then the next is bullock cart. How many bullock carts are there? 15. So where is the 15? On the y-axis you have to search here, and bullock cart line is here. So here I will mark for the bullock cart. How many bullock carts are there? 15 bullock carts are there. So here from here to here I joined, and then this one bar came, separate bars are there for each vehicle. See? Okay, so this way you have to complete the bar graph. See, bicycle. Now by seeing the graph we can identify, or we can tell so many more information. Now name of the vehicle is bicycle. How many numbers are there? Up to the which number you have drawn? 30. This bar graph. See, when this rectangular shape is there for bicycle, then there is one gap, again motorcycle. How many? 25. Auto rickshaw 5, and then bullock cart is are 50. Okay, so this way you will complete one graph. So again I will repeat, for drawing graph you have to, first thing you have to remember, don't use pen on this graph paper. Okay, next thing you have to draw, when you before start to draw any graph, first you have to draw this x-axis and y-axis, and then this point of intersection you can give the O or 0. Okay, this here point of intersection where two axes intersect to each other, that is 0, means origin, it's the origin of that. So now when you choose the scale, that should be proper, means you have to observe the numbers minimum and maximum, and they will be multiple of any number surely. Or whenever example will be there, they will be multiple of such any proper number, means they will be that all numbers will come in one table, or they will be multiple of that number. If 5 tens are 50, maybe 55 will be there. So 55 is also the multiple of 5. Okay, so don't think that up to 10 only always it number will be there. So accordingly you have to choose the scale. Now on scale, before choosing the scale, you have to decide the y-axis you have to observe, and then minimum and maximum number should come on the graph paper. Such a way you have to choose the units. So I have taken here 2 units is equal to 5 vehicles. 2 units is equal to 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. You can continue also 35, but our maximum number is 30. So I have written only up to 30. Then on the x-axis you will draw the names. You have to write the names of the vehicle. Here also proper distance should be there. Means what students, many times I have observed that what students do, if here bicycle, then they will leave these 2 units, again motorcycle, then again 1 unit only they will leave, then bullock cart or auto rickshaw. That will be wrong. So see, gap in between 2 bars, there will be proper gap, means equal gap should be there in between all bar graphs. Okay, here. So I have taken 1 unit bar graph here distance. So scale, y-axis, x-axis and proper information you should write on the graph paper. If this all things information will be there, then only you will get the full marks. So this way you have to draw the bar graphs. So this bar graph you have to draw in your graph notebook. See students, you can bring the graph notebook, long notebook in this type only, and then here see, you have to you will write the question, whatever question is there. For example, practice set 19 question 1. So yeah, that question you will write here with pen, and question here, and then such related to that graph will be here. So this one page is one page, full page, this graph paper and this page will be for only one question. Here question will be there and here graph will be there. So here now you have to write this for this graph, you have to write the page number 35, these 2 columns, type of vehicle and number. Here you will write this question, that type of vehicle, vehicles and its numbers. Okay, so this you can write with the pen, and then you can draw this graph like this way.